So now we're going to go over the inventory tab. Again, you can get to it here by clicking on the left, or view all in the dashboard. And what you're going to see here is it'll show the statuses available pending sold, however you want to mark them within the system. And again, anything else you want as a sort, depending on the number of vehicles you have, you may have different items you want to go through. We can add that in, not a problem. You're going to see this button up here. This is a generate missing descriptions. Now, one of the reasons we created this thing and added the power of AI into it, and we can add any AI model as AI grows. Obviously, it's not, you don't want to be stuck with only one model to generate what you want it to do. So we're able to expand and grow with technology, and that's how we build things. So what you'll see is you can generate the missing description. I'll show you how that works in just a second. You can go by model in the search bar, and it'll pull up the model. Now, let's go ahead and click on that, and let's get rid of this. Now, within each individual, which I'll go over when we add a vehicle, but you can also do it here. But let's take this out. I'll show you how it works. So now we're in our inventory tab. Now we're going to hit generate missing descriptions. Okay, let's find our checks. So this is where we went. And again, you can mark them sold, pending, and that'll help within your sorts, that kind of thing. So let's go in here and take a look at our new description we got. All right, so AI's job is to create a description that both provides the information to the user, the person wanting to buy the car, provide information to the search engines to get it to rank in the search engines. So cars that have been there a while will show up in the search engine. In fact, I'll show you that in just a sec. I'm sure this one's been here a while. The other thing it's designed to do is help you show up in AI searches as well. So it's SEO, AEO, all the optimization you need, using the proper language models to determine the mathematical equation for what will get this thing to show up in the search engines. Now let's just try this one as an example. Jaguar XF. Let's try it out. There it is. So that is what the descriptions are designed to do, with a lot of the back-end coding in the feed that goes. It provides the information to the search engines and AI so that you actually have listings that show up. That was a big hole that all the other systems had. They were absolutely useless. So we took care of it. Let's see, in the AI mode. Yep, there it is. So it's being referenced in both AI and the search. So that is how that works, and that is why it's done that way. And so if you put in a whole bunch of stuff and a bunch of vehicles, if you're using a feed or if you're just entering them in by hand or however you're doing it, you can do it any way you want. But you don't need to go into each one and do a description. You just hit generate missing descriptions. It'll find them all, tag them with the description, and then the next time the feed exports to your site or wherever you've got this thing embedded, the new feed will carry the new descriptions for you. So next up, we'll show you how to add a vehicle.